Hey guys, and welcome to JTech WP. Today I'm doing a quick review on the Tonor T20 microphone arm stand, and it's a great bit of kit. It really is packed with features. It comes with a pop filter built in as standard, it comes in with a normal microphone holder and also a foam cover for a Yeti microphone. I'm using mine with a Rodent NT mic. It's capable of holding up to 1.8 kilos of weight, which is pretty impressive for a microphone arm. The clamp allows you to put your headphones on them, so you also get a headphone holder included as well. The microphone is easy to adjust. I can simply pull it, move it into position, let go, and it stays in place just like that. If you're a content creator and you do a lot of voiceover work, I can highly recommend getting one of the microphone arms, as it allows you to have the microphone right where you want it, and you'll get better sound as a result. If you're going to buy one, please use the links in the description below, as that really helps us on the channel.
Alright, let's have a look inside the box. We've got an instruction manual on top with a 2-year warranty card. In our clear bag we got a pop filter. We've also got a fluffy microphone cover, which I believe fits the Yeti microphone. There's 4 Velcro cable ties included. An adjustable arm with 2 springs on it. There's a standard microphone holder, and then finally we've got the clamp which attaches to your desk. The clamp also has a headphones holder on it. Attaching the clamp's really straightforward. You simply slide it on the desk and adjust the screw until it tightens up. Make sure it's pushed nice and flush against there. What I'm doing now is just adjusting it. It doesn't need to be overly tight, just sort of finger tight will do. To connect the arm, there's a single pin, slide that into the clamp and it kind of pops into place nice and easy. The microphone attachment fits a 3/8 and a 5/8 size. It fits perfectly with the Rode NT microphone, which is the one I use in this video. It does take a bit of playing around to get the thread to line up perfectly, but once it does, it'll spin quite freely, then you can adjust it. Then you can lock off the microphone so it will stay at that angle, or you can adjust it if you need to by adjusting these screws. Next I add the USB cable, plug it into the bottom of the Rodent NT. Then start adding the cable ties along the length of the arm. You get 4 included in the box, and they can be a little bit fiddly to get lined up, as they're quite sticky and tend to get stuck to each other. Once you've added the Velcro cable ties, it's always worth checking that you've got full range of movement and that the cable's not going to catch anywhere. So just try moving the arm around to different positions and leave it in place. The T20 is made of durable steel for outstanding bearing capacity with a maximum load of 4 pounds or 1.8 kilos. The T20 offers 700mm of horizontal or vertical distance and a full 360-degree rotation. You can easily adjust it to get the best position and pickup. I did notice, however, that when I let it go it did tend to spring upwards a little bit, as you can see here. Overall, it is a really good microphone arm for the money, with plenty of adjustment, and it locks into place and stays where you put it. What more could you want really from a stand?
Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.